Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through securing your Discord account so you can stay safe while chatting and gaming online. First, start by using a strong and unique password that you don't use anywhere else. Avoid simple words or numbers and mix letters, symbols, and numbers. Next, verify your email address and make sure you always have access to it because Discord uses email for important security alerts. After that, enable two-factor authentication from user settings to add an extra layer of protection. This step is very important and helps block unauthorized logins. Now, review your active devices and log out from any session you don't recognize. Also, be careful with links and files, even if they come from friends, because hacked accounts often send malicious links. Never share your login details with anyone. Go to Privacy and Safety settings and adjust message and friend request filters to reduce spam. Disable direct messages from server members you don't know. Finally, keep your Discord app updated so you always have the latest security fixes. By following these steps, your Discord account stays protected and under your control. Subscribe the channel for more videos.